U.S. housing improves and oil falls, underpinning U.S. equity markets. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kristin Martinez, and welcome to tonight's VSB Stock Market Report. Figures released from the National Association of Realtors showed purchases of existing houses increased 7.8%, the most since May 2010. Record low mortgage rates, more affordable properties, and limited supply of new homes helped drive orders higher. Better than expected news helped buoy the S&P, led by consumer services and telecommunications sectors. Crude prices slid 3.5% after a bigger than forecasted gain in U.S. inventories and a day after Saudi Arabia increased production. The Bank of Japan joined the U.S. and Europe in extending easing monetary policies by expanding their asset purchases in an attempt to spur growth. In North America, the Dow Jones closed at 13,578, up 0.1%. The S&P closed at 1,461, up 0.12%. The Nasdaq closed at 3,183, up 0.15%, and the TSX closed at 12,436, up 0.11%. In Europe, the FTSE 100 closed at 5,888, up 0.35%. The CAC 40 closed at 3,532, up 0.54%, and the DAX closed at 7,391, up 0.58%. In the Pacific Rim, the Nikkei closed at 9,232, up 1.17%. The Shanghai closed at 2,068, up 0.4%. In U.S. bond market, the 10-year U.S. Treasury closed at 98 22/32, decreasing the yield to 1.77%. In currencies, U.S. dollar was weaker and closed at $1.03 against the Canadian dollar, $1.62 against the sterling, and $1.30 against the euro. The Bermuda Stock Exchange, the Ascendant Group closed at $12 with no daily change and a volume of 100. That's all for the VSB Stock Market Report. Stay tuned for more news ahead with Peter.